happy Sunday. Welcome back to the vlog. If it's your first time here, my name is Till. I'm the owner of REALLYCUTEco.com and I pack all orders live exclusively on TikTok, y'all. I have been uploading weekly vlogs on here just to give you all a little bit more behind the scenes and just more time with REALLYCUTEco. And I've been having so much fun doing these vlogs. I hope you all are enjoying the series. I just update you on my boutique journey. Every week is so different. This week, I did a photo shoot this week for our upcoming launch. We have a launch happening on Thursday the 27th. I'm really excited. This is our first launch for the spring. So everything is pastels and everything is just really cute. So all of these items behind me. I also did a little bit of a get ready with me for my photo shoot in this vlog. So it's super fun. If you all have any suggestions on what you want to see in the vlog, please let me know in the comments below. Y'all leave me comments. Talk to me in the comments. I love when you all engage with the video and just let me know what you're liking to see or what you want to see in the vlog. I want to hear you. Well, I upload every single Sunday. I try to upload by 6 p.m. but right now it's 5:30 and it's gonna be a little after 6, but the vlog will still go up on Sunday. So don't forget to subscribe so that so that YouTube will continue to show you my videos. And let's go ahead and get into the vlog. This comes down because of the heat from the vents up here. So it kind of like melted since this is peel and stick, but just take it and just, I have to maintenance it every once in a while. I still need to get this area right here, but I might have to wait for my husband to get home. Okay, everything's cleaned up. Happy Friday, cuties. This week has flown by. I've had a lot of things happen that has prevented me from being able to vlog. I promised myself this year that I was going to slow down a little bit with the launches just to make sure I am giving y'all quality content and making things better. And I almost found myself launching today again and trying to rush my launch. And I don't know why I keep doing that to myself. I literally can drop these items whenever I want. It doesn't affect anything except for my energy if I decide to give you guys like a more of a heads up. Getting ready to go get glam, but I think I'm going to concentrate on at least shooting these 3. I don't think you will see the bottom half of me, but I do have jeans dropping in this collection, and I have really good cozy like bookstore or library ideas for all of these items as well. So there'll be content in multiple places for all these items. Y'all, I don't feel like doing this right now. That is the fight that I fight sometimes. I want all the results of the photo shoot and everything like that, but it'd be so nice if I could just have a model and just be like, okay, put this outfit on and have everything set up and be behind the camera. I'm more naturally a photographer. I can do the modeling, like I figured out how to do it and make it look good, but it'd be so nice if I could just work like this and shoot someone. It's just not ideal because if I ever have a model, I need to pay them well. I don't believe in the whole work for free thing. Like if you're working, I'm paying you, and I don't have budget to do that. So here I am. I gotta be my own model. It's okay. My handy dandy makeup bag that is very on brand for REALLYCUTEco. We had this back in this December. Okay. I need my phone in here. I'm gonna watch some TikToks and I'm going to do my makeup. I went ahead and got my sweater on. This sweater is so good. You'll be able to see it more when I get out there. I'm calling this our blueberry oatmeal sweater, and it is so cozy. Y'all, we have these back in stock on the site. Sorry, my hair is a mess. I wanted to do some pin curls at the top of my hair. Cheap. I know when I first restarted the boutique, I had like this honey blonde wig, which I actually can't remember where I got it from. I think a friend gave it to me or something, but it ended up being like the perfect color for my skin tone. It wasn't too blonde, and I'm really searching for that color again. Hopefully I can find something that's similar color, and I don't think I want to do super long. Okay, yeah, just need that to hold. Let me see if I have another one. That's a good curl. I have my curls in. I'm just going to like not brush them out. I'm just gonna let them sit, and we're gonna do the makeup. Okay. Best setting spray of all time. Honestly, I prefer wearing lashes, but I don't have lashes. I'm out. I'm probably gonna have to touch up my lid though. That's the only thing I hate about this, is that when I'm putting on mascara, I tend to kind of get it on my lid. Once more, I really like to recurl after the mascara has dried, and then I might, oh, it's stuck. And I might put on like a little bit more mascara. Okay, that looks good. Ooh, take out these, and hopefully they did what I wanted them to do. I definitely need to get some like these little clips. Okay. We are officially shooting. I just shot a few pictures in the blueberry oatmeal cardigan, and then here is one of our other pieces, y'all. You see like vintage vibes. Isn't it so cute? And then these earrings as well. So both this and this will both drop on Thursday. I don't know, I'm just thinking of things, and as I go I am executing. So we have my camera, ring light, then we have a softbox in a softbox, and I have these items here. So I'm just gonna try and like shoot and I don't know, just do things as I go. I was thinking I could be like putting these flowers in the vase as I am taking the pictures. Sorry for all the extra mess in the back, but we also have like these really cute like spring bunny charms, but I don't think I want that in this photo. I also hope to get some photos outdoors, but today it's like 15 degrees, so. I don't know, guys. I don't know, I'm always trying to figure this out as I go. Let's see. And then I can like go back through and review the photos a little. Oh, I think we got a photo. All I need is one photo. Literally, I don't need a bunch. That felt very awkward, but let's see. So basically, I'm gonna do this over and over again until I have a good photo. Oh, I think we got it. think? Oh my gosh, why did I look at the key? Okay, let's shoot. All right, cuties, that is going to be the end of today's vlog. I am not still shooting photos. This took me forever, though. I hope you all enjoyed today's content. There will be a new launch up on the website on Thursday, February 27th at 10:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. All new adorable spring pieces that you can add to your closet on reallycuteco.com. I will be dropping a new vlog next Sunday, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, y'all. Interact with the video, and I will talk to you all in next week.